My goodness, I'm just rambling, and you guys didn't hear a word that I just said. Oh, epic fail, right? Oh, gosh. Well, I guess that's what happens when you're a little nervous, but hey, it is what it is. So, I'm going to run it back. So, again, Kiki here, considering this is the first live stream that I'm doing here today. Anybody in the chat? I see a couple of viewers here. Well, again, thank you for taking the time to come here to this late night live stream. Blah, try to say that fast. And so today, I was mentioning got a lot of packs to open up. I'll probably open up a few packs, maybe a booster box, maybe an ETB. We'll find out. So, we're gonna go ahead. Again, as a master set collector, I'm just lagging it, and that's just kind of the thing where as a collector, that's what I'm pretty much focusing on. But unfortunately, you already know it's expensive. But who cares, right? It's only money. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So I think today we're gonna go ahead and open up some Paradox Rift. So here it is. Anybody in the chat? Oh, hey guys, how you guys doing? So here's the first pack for this night. Just gonna go ahead and open it up. So yeah, let's see. So many cards I need from this set. There's your code card right there. Just gonna go ahead and go to it. Trying to go for the gold. I need some gold and some of those SIRs. Wow, look at that. First hit of the night. The Bombardier. Well, you know what? I'm gonna need some sleeves. So I'm gonna put this here. Yep. Sleeve that guy up. Boom. Put you over there. I'm gonna have to put my bulk somewhere. All right, another pack. Let's see. Is it gonna be a hit or a miss? Definitely gonna need a big trash can. But here's a code card. You guys can go ahead and take that. Psychic energy. Okay. I think there's some rain going on over here. And a Latios. I don't care for that card. All right, next pack. Paradox Rift. Let's see. So, how's your guys' nights? You guys are all ready for Easter's? Code card. Come on, let's get some hits, man. Fighting energy. Just gonna go through it. Doo-doo. Well, we got more. Let's keep it going. Oh, man. Yeah, it's been a while. Been wanting to open these packs for the longest time. And we got a code card. Come on. Let's get a hit or something. Do 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 do. Porygon Z. Nothing. Next. Oh man. And here's a code card. Boom. All right. Electric. Let's do this. Oh boy. Think there's something. Oh, and look at that. The first hit of the night. Aegis/EX full art. Come on, get in focus. Get in focus. But there it is. First hit or first full art of the night. All right, next pack. Let's do this. Come on. SIR. I need those. And the golds. Code card. Here we go. Shoo. It's okay. Steel energy. Nope. It's no good, eh? Alright, last of these small booster packs that I have, or loose packs that I got. So, let's see what we can get out of these. Code card right there. Alright. Can we get something? Focus, focus, focus. There we go. Focus. Oh, and there we go. We got a Garchomp. Definitely need that guy. I'm going to go ahead and sleeve him up. Alrighty. So out of those loose packs, these are the hits that I got so far. The Bombardier EX, Aegislash EX, and the Garchomp EX. I'm going to put those off to the side. Anybody in the chat? So now I got more packs to open up, but I need you guys to let me know. Shall I open the booster box? Or shall I open up the ETB first? What do you guys think? ETB first or the booster box? What do you guys think? Let's see. Yep. So, well, I'm just going to go for it. I'm going to start with the ETB first. And then the last thing would be the booster box. Yeah, man, you know, Easter, it's going to be a long day, but hey, it is what it is. Oh, let's see. I need, where is it? Where are you? Oh, there we go. All right, there it is. I got my knife. Whew. All right, let's do this. So this is actually my second ETB that I've ever opened up. So I'm gonna just put that off to the side right now. And we're just gonna go straight for the packs. Here it is, all 8 packs. Everything else is just gonna go away. Alrighty. Put the knife away. There we go. Alright. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 packs. Yeah, I used to be 8 packs in the ETBs, but hey, I'll take an extra pack. So, first pack of Paradox Rift, the ETB pack right here. Is it a hit or miss? Code card. Oh, there might be something there. Dark energy. Ah, never mind. Alright, next pack. Let's just keep it going. Yo, Daniel, thank you. Sorry, I got to the ETB first instead of the booster box. But I will get to that booster box after. Here's a code card right there. Boom. Here we go. Leaf Energy. Go for the green. Greens for monies. And a Zatu. Nope. Not good. Not good at all. But here's the next pack. Come on, I need like a gold or an SIR. Something like that. Can I get a Roaring Moon SIR? If I get that, I'll be golden. code card. Yoinks. Psychic energy. Just gonna go through it. Like a Garganackle. Nope. We're going for the next one. Let's do this. Alrighty. And code card. There it is. Fighting energy. Just gonna go for it. Aladios. Oh no. It's not looking good, guys. Alright, next pack. Alright. Yoink. Here it is. Code card. And steel energy. Steel or metal? What do you guys say? I always say steel. Alright. Yamask, Spinda, Tinkatink, Tanamouse, Steenie, Gliscor, Absol, Elekid, Groudon. Ah, and Thievul stole my hit. How dare he? How dare he? Alright, next pack. I hate it when Thievul steals my hits. Thievul, you thief. Alright, next pack. And there's a code card there. Boom. Dark energy. Flittle, Nickit, Knackley, Nimble, Medical Energy, Iron Bundle, Gliscor, Tulip, Honedge, and Espatra. Man, this ETB is terrible. I'm 0 for 5 right now. 0 for 5. That's not good. And there's a code card there. Yeah, sorry I don't have any music in the background. Maybe on the next stream I'll get some music so it's just not so silent. But here's the electric energy. Dweeble, Whismur, Doublade, Surskit, Simisage, Norman, Orthworm. Oh, Dweeble. Oh, look at that. Cyclizar, IR, and a low kicks. Well, you know what that means. Gotta sleeve this guy up right here. Interesting. Look at that. It looks pretty. Come on, focus, focus. There we go. Cyclizar. There we go. I like it a lot. There we go. Finally, there's a hit right there. All right, next pack. Second to last pack of this ETB. I'm going to put these off to the side real quick. You got your code card. There we go. So, Psychic Energy. And we're just going to go for it. Oh ho ho, okay. Roaming Moon. Not the Roaming Moon that I wanted. I want the Roaming Moon SIR. But I'll take it. Take this hit right now. Boom. There it is. Roaming Moon. I like the SIR. That's a very good card to get. All right. Last pack magic in this ETB for Paradox Rift, and then we'll get to that booster box. So hopefully we'll get some banger pulls from that booster box. Alrighty. So last pack magic from this ETB. There's your code card. Alrighty. Water Energy. So, Toedscruel, Vanillite, Charcadet, Swablu, Exploud, Mela, Slitherwing, big old fat moth, Volcanion, Natu, and the Iron Moth. Dang. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. Alright, well, man. 2 for 9 out of that. at ETB was definitely not worth it. But hopefully that booster box is, which we're going to go ahead and open up right now. Look at that. So 36 packs. I need at least some golds and SIRs in here, so we'll see what happens. All right, you guys ready? Let's do this. Where did I put it? Gotta get my knife real quick. Whoops. Boom, right there. Okay. Let me just make some room over here. Make some room. Alrighty. Alright, guys. The piece of resistance. We got 36 packs of Paradox Rift. See? Right there. Alright, guys. Should I go for the left side or the right side first? Let me know. So what do you guys think? Am I going to get gold and SIR? What do you guys think? Left or right? All right. Daniel says right. So we're going to start with the right side. All right, let's do this. So right here. Thank you, Daniel. Appreciate you. You know, being here in the chat, watching this live, this first ever live stream for Kiki Collects. We're just going to go ahead and dive into it. Alrighty. Boom. Code card. Is it hit or miss? Let's go for it. Oh, and it's a Steelix. Nothing there. But we continue on. Next card on the right side. Alrighty. Code card. Boom. Fighting energy. Just gonna go for it. And the Chi-Yu. More like P-U. Let me move this box up here a little more. Alright. Next. Let's do this one more time right here. Just opening up these Paradox Rift packs here. Boom. Code card. You guys can have it. I don't want it. And green for monies. Pansage, mining. Oh, snow. Oh, dang. There's something there. I don't know if you guys saw it, but there's something there. Something. Knuckle stack. Garbodor. We're going to take it slow. Future energy capsule. Scream tail. Alright, get in focus. Get in focus. Come on. Get in focus. Elekid. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Still running this thing. There we go. There we go, Elekid. Mining. And the piece of resistance. Oh, dang. It's just a Frostlass EX. Dang. I got trumped on that one. Yep. Anthony. Yep. Anthony Romo. Let's get a winner. Definitely. So we're going to go ahead and sleeve this guy up. Because we wants to. Alrighty. Let's go. You know what? I feel like a winner. Alrighty. Paradox Rift. Another pack. Let's go. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this right now. I mean, over time later on, code card there. Live streams will get a little better, but hey, you always got to start somewhere. And there's green for monies. Fuecoco, Honage, Dwebble, Horsey, Luxurious Cape, Cyclizar, Simisear, Sharkadet, Steenie, and the Chin Pow. Nope. Still starting on this right side. And let's go. You guys have any plans for Easter? Let me know in the comments or in the chat. And code card. And Electric Energy. Plusle, Dottler, Toxel, Liepard, Iron Bundle, Ferrothorn, Curse, Duster, Toxel, Vanillite, and the Wo-Chan. Nope. So far, it's looking like right side's not doing well, but hopefully it picks up. It's only got that one hit. And code card? Yeah, dude, it's starting to rain outside right now. It's crazy. Fire Energy. You go fire. All right, let's do this. You go Joltik, Loudred, Remoraid, Pumpkaboo, Crobat, Roark, Minior, oh, Defiance Vest, another Pumpkaboo, and a Kingdra. Oh boy. Oh man, Daniel. Looks like you called the wrong side right now. But hopefully we still got what? We still got quite a few packs to open up on this side. Hopefully it picks up. If I get a gold, then we're solid. Boom. Alrighty. Code card. And let's go. Water Energy. Boom. There we go. Focus. There we go. Wimpod. Elekid. Tinkatuff. Trubbish. Luxurious Cape. Cyclizar. Simisear. Loudred. Or Corio. Another Roaming Moon, but that's not the one that I need, man. I need the SIR. Man. We're still going to sleeve this guy up. Boom. All right, well, that's considered a hit, but not the hit. And we shall continue. Boom. Next pack. Oh, boy. Code card. Boom. Steel Energy. Zubat. Natu. Purloin. Mainfu. Simipour. Zebstrika. Crocolore. Durant or Kevin Durant. Cyclizar. And Yveltal. Nope. Nope, not liking it. Come on, guys. Where are the hits, man? This box better be a good hit. I need some good pulls off of this booster box. Oh, okay. And code card. Boom. Fighting Energy. We're just going to go for Crustle, Onyx, Flittle, Nickit, Crobat, Roark, Minior, Ambipom, Phoebus, and a Milotic. Dang, it just evolved. It went from Phoebus to Milotic. Next. Okay. Code card. You guys can have that. Boom. Let's see. Do any of you guys, collect master sets? Let me know. Green for monies, as always. Pharisee, Gibble, Panpour, Blitzel, Tinkaton, Kevin Durant, Earthen Vessel, Naclastack, Groudon, and the Tinglu. Dang. These hits are just hiding. They're just hiding. Somewhere. Gotta be somewhere. Alright. Code card. Alright, is this a hit or a miss? Let's do this. Dark Energy. Alright. Knackly, Nimble, Yamask, Spinda, Simipour, Zeb Strika, Crocolore, Doublade. Oh, and there is the illustration rare Apom. I actually do need this card. Pretty good card. Finally got a hit. Finally got a hit, man. All right. I will take it. Focus, focus. There we go. Boom. Just like that. Next. Okay. And code card. Psychic Energy. I see you. Bounsweet, Phoebus, Apom, Galvantula, Medical Energy, Steenie, Gliscor, Toadscrew, Honedge, and a Zekrom. Dang. No bueno. No bueno. Next pack. Let's open these packs up. Alright. Code card. Boom. Green for monies. If only it was actually money, I'll take it. Tinkatink, Tandemouth, Dwebble, Buizmer, Tinkaton, Kevin Durant, Earthen Vessel, H/. Oh, then there it is. That, my friends, is, if you can see it, put you in. There we go. This is the Sandy Shocks EX SIR. Not the SIR that I want, but hey, I'll take it. Let's leave this bad boy up right now. It's got the nice texture there. Boom. Wait, come on. There we go. Sandy Shocks EX SIR. Boom. Finally got a hit. I'll take it. I'll take it. It's about dang time. All right. Next pack. Come on. We need more SIRs. Maybe a gold. Go for the gold. And then we got code card. Boom. And we got electric energy. There's probably something in this pack. But we'll find out. Let's do this. Mantike. Pansage. Minun. Snowrunt. Absol. Simisage. Freaking Norman. Flamigo. Panpour. And a Zatu. Nope. No. Oh man, we're almost done with the right side. Almost done. And let's see. I don't know if you guys see in the back, but you see that Pikachu lighting up? Yeah, that was a Christmas gift. Code card. I just like how it just lights up in the back. Yep, and as you can see, Pikachu is actually my favorite Pokemon. So we got Water Energy, Doublade, Surskit, Magby, Flamigo, Medical Energy, Steenie, Gliscor, Dwebble, Chantel, and the Brute Bonnet. Not worth it. Alright, we're going to keep this going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Okay, and code card. Boom. Fighting Energy. Let's do this. Knuckle Stack. Plus Dottler. Toxel. We got the Scream Tail. a prehistoric Jigglypuff, technical machine devolution, Explode, Mela, Zubat. Oh, we got Larry. You're killing me, Larry. If you can see this guy. And we see it. There we go. You're killing me, Larry. But hey, I'll take a full art. I'll take it. I definitely need this card in my master set. I'll put him off to the side. Boom. Just like that. All right. Second to last pack on the right side. All right. Let's see if there's any more hits on the side. Oh, man. We got a code card. Let's go. Boom. And we have Steel Energy. Oh, getting ahead of myself. Porygon, Oricorio, Toadschool, Vanillite, Absol, Simisage, Norman, Plusle, Natu, and Deoxys. It's the first time seeing this one in all the packs that we opened up from earlier. So, all right. Last pack from the right side of this booster box. Let's get it. Hopefully at least a full art or something. Yeah, like I said, hopefully this booster box gives me some good pulls. So we got the code card there. Boom. And fire. He's on fire. Lipard. Wimpod. Elekid. Tinkatuff. Mela. Slitherwing. Gourgeist. Trubbish. Whatever technical machine. And a Goldango. There it is. Goldango EX. Hey, I'll take an EX. I think I need this one. So, boom. There it is. Alrighty. So, that was the first half of this booster box. So now we just need to basically finish it off strong. I'm just going to get rid of these code cards here. We don't need it because I gave it to you guys. Alrighty. Now we're starting on the left side. Can we get a gold? What do you guys think? We're going to get a gold or another SIR as our secret rares? Hopefully I get a gold card or something. You know why? Because I love gold. And there's a code card. And there's Dark Energy. Yeah, we're just trying to get to focus. Sorry. Again, I'm still learning the whole thing about live streaming. And so I got to figure out all the best settings for this camera. Gliscor Artillery and the Zatu Hollow. It's just a learning experience. Again, first time ever. But again, for those who are watching, appreciate you guys, coming out late night. Yeah, it's going to be 1 in the morning. I even got work at 7 in the morning. But who cares, right? It's the weekend. Alrighty. Code card. And Steel Energy. Come on, get in focus. There it is. Maybe we can do this. Maybe like that. Maybe better. Minun, Doublade, Milk Tank, Wimpod, Explode, Mela, Minior, Pharisee Reverse, Jirachi Reverse. Actually, that's the first one that I've seen, and a Morpeko. I think I definitely need that Jirachi Reverse. Okay. Now, next pack. Let's continue this journey into collecting these master sets. But yeah, man, it's getting expensive. I'm starting to think I should start, collecting specific cards like chase cards. For me, I'm probably thinking about starting collect some graded Pikachu cards. I mean, is there any graded cards you guys want to specifically collect? Let me know. Got Larry, a mask. Oh, there's something in the back. Surskit, Whismur, Toadstool, Slitherwing, Technical Machine, Nimble, Apom. Ah, dang. It's another EX. I mean, hey, I'll take it, but I got so many of these already. I don't need any more. I just don't. Put that off there. Boom. Next. Okay. Alrighty. Code card. Alright. And lightning energy. I'm now out of focus now. Dang. Okay. There we go. Plusle, Tandem Mouse, Toadstool, Toxel, Blindside, Crocolore, Evolution, Ferrothorn. Oh, look at that guy. Got a little snow rat right here. I will definitely take that IR. Boom. This guy is just laughing here. Oh, look at that. That's big old smile right there. That's pretty cool. Oh, sorry. Just gotta get a little comfortable here. All right. Now I'm in focus. Perfect. I'm gonna put him off to the side. Okay. I mean, it's decent so far with this booster box. Paradox Rift. Man, I still got a lot of product to open up, but man, why is it that Pokemon has to be so expensive? Tell me. Tell me why. Code card. Alrighty. And Water Energy. Flamigo. Porygon. Seadra. Magby. Exploud. Mela Minior. Brute Bonnet Reverse. Horsey Reverse. And a Golisopod. Alright. Almost done with this. And just opening these packs just seems like I just open it so fast and then you're just already done with opening packs. I'm going to need some cases so I can be on here at least, opening these packs. I've done that before though. Hey, I've opened up a case of Vivid Voltage back then. Crazy. And I wasn't even lucky enough to get a Rainbow Pikachu during that time. And oh, look at Kevin Durant. Slitherwing. Knackley, H/. Yeah. I actually had to buy that Rainbow Pikachu, man. After opening, I probably opened up I would say 8 booster boxes worth during that time. Oh my goodness. I'm glad I'm done with that set and I don't have to open any more of those packs. Because, man, code card, that was definitely a waste. Man. All right. Green for monies. Just like that. Vanillite or Corio, Swablu, Pansear, Blindside, Crocolore, Evolution, Reverse Yamask. I have a hard time pronouncing it. Tatsugiri? I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but if you guys know, let me know. And the Aegis/EX, I think this is the first one I've ever pulled. So, hey, I'll take it. Take it for the master set. I'm going to put this guy off to the side. There it is. There it is. Boom. All that shininess going on there. Boom. All right, next. Right there, Garchomp. Alrighty. And code card. Boom. Dark Energy. Got the Onyx, Tinkatink, Sharkadette, Flittle, Turbo Energize, the Wug Trio, Techno Radar, Spender Reverse, Wimpod Reverse, and a Hollow Groudon. Next pack. is, boom. We got code card. Boom. Fighting energy. We got Nickit, Gligar, Blipbug, Fuecoco, Vanillux, Defiance Vest, Kevin Durant, Tulip, Orbeetle Reverse, and Iron Moth. Kevin Durant is just popping up all of a sudden. Alright. There's Paradox Rift pack. Another one for the team. Come on. We need another SIR or gold at least. It's got to be somewhere on this left side. Code card. Energy is electric energy. And please get in focus. Sorry. Let's kind of get it in focus here. I think it's just because it's so bright. Yeah. I think it's just because very, very light colors. Wigless, Jirachi, Absol, Masquerain, Ancient Boosted Energy Capsule. Jeez. Gibble's Reverse, Chin Pow Reverse, and the Latios. Next. So you guys think I'm going to get a gold or another SIR? What do you guys think? A gold card or an SIR? Let's see. There's the code card. There it is. Boom. Psychic. There we go. Honage. Dwebble. Horsey. Joltik. Turbo Energy. Wug Trio. Techno Radar. Iron Bundle. Reverse. Sharkadet Reverse. And the Iron Jugulus. No, no, nope. Alright. I at least think we're going to get at least 3 more hits. So, hopefully. 3 hits. Can I get it? Alright, is this one a hit or a miss? Fire Energy. Knackley, Parasol Lady, Paragon 2, Octillery, Orthworm, Professor Turtle Scenario, Minshao, Pansage, Parasol Lady. Oh. And that is a miss with the Zacian. Dang, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 6 more packs left. Dang. This booster box just went too fast. I wish I had another booster box or something. Or do I? No, I'm just kidding. Not a Paradox Rift. Okay. Code card. Boom. Water Energy. Loudred. Remoraid. Yeah, it's kind of... Come on. Okay, there we go. I think that's a little better. It's just too much of that glare. Remoraid, Pumpkaboo, Zubat, Absol, Masquerain, the Energy Capsule, Remoraid, Minshao. Oh, look at that. And that, my friends, is a full art Iron Valiant EX. This is definitely the card that I don't have, and I will take it for this master set. Alrighty. Definitely going to put that in this master set. Look at that. And it's crazy, this whole future, the future and ancient Pokemons that they have in these, you know, in the Paldean region. I mean, I never understood it, but hey, I'll take it. Boom. Alrighty. 5 more packs left. 5 more packs. Oh, man. Ooh. Alrighty. Next pack. So that's 1 hit. So I still need 2 more hits. Hopefully we can get 2 more hits. Right? Boom. Code card. And What energy? I say green. Oh, no. It is a steel energy. Golbat. Larry. You're killing me, Larry. Yamass. Surskit. Rika. Is this a guy or a chick? I don't even know. What do you guys think? Gorgeist. Professor Sada's Vitality. Masquerain. Toadstool Reverse. Garganackle. Hollow. Nope. Alrighty. So that wasn't a hit. Alright, I need 2 more hits, guys. 2 more hits. Can I get a gold or an SIR in these next packs? Let's find out. Boom. And we have code card. And I'm going to say water. No, fighting. Yeah, I'm not good with these, guessings. Natu, Purloin, Mindfu, Ferroseed, or the Worm. Whatever. Reverse Simi for Reverse Mantike, and a Palkia Hollow. Alrighty. Okay, last 3 packs of this booster box. Come on, we need more hits here, right? Okay. Boom. Code card. And fire? Nope, not even close. Dark. Whismer. Flamigo. Porygon. Seadra. That's actually the first Seadra I've seen today. Tulip. Veluza. Chantal. Porygon Reverse. Cloth Reverse. That's the first of this opening. And look at that, an Iron Valiant EX. So I got the full art earlier. Now just the regular EX. But hey, it's considered a hit. Boom. There it is. Iron Valiant EX. Just the regular EX. Alright. 2 more packs, man. 2 more packs. Let's do this. Let's do it. And we got ourselves code card. Boom. Lightning Energy. Yeah, I didn't even guess. Maybe next time. Gibble. Panpour. Blitzel. Bounsweet. Rika. Gorgeist. Professor Sada's Vitality. Toadstool Reverse. Blindside Reverse. And the Iron Moth. Alright, guys. Last pack magic. Is this pack going to be a hit or a miss? Let's find out. And hopefully it's a hit, man. End it with the SIR or gold. I'll take it. So, boom. Alright. There's a code card. And for the last guess, is it Leaf Energy? Boom! Leaf Energy, I'll take it. That's a good sign. Green for monies. We got Magby, Vanillite, Oricorio, Swablu, Garbodor, literally trash. Future Booster, Energy Capsule, Screamtail, Zacian Reverse. Okay, alright. Look at that. And this is definitely, if you can see it, this is the Steelix illustration where, hey, I'll definitely take that. For a last pack magic, this was definitely a good card to pull. Definitely. Let me sleeve this guy up. I just need to get a sleeve for this guy. Steelix, that's pretty cool. Look at that guy. He's just the height of that building that they're building. There it is. There it is, my friend. So it was definitely a hit on that last pack. Alright, let's do a summary on this. Let's do a summary. Alrighty. So we got, going back. Okay, hold on. I'm just going to put these all in order. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. So first off, Roaring Moon EX, Frostlass EX, Goldango EX, Hoopa EX, Aegislash EX, Iron Valiant EX. We just got the Steelix IR, the Snow Runt IR, the Apom, if you can see it, Apom IR, the Iron Valiant EX Full Art. We got the Larry Full Art. Then we had the Sandy Shocks EX SIR. Man, this was a pretty good box. What you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 hits. But 12 hits out of 36 packs in a booster box. Yikes. That's literally a third of the box that were hits. But hey, I actually need these cards for my set. What's up, Blanc Vic? How's it going? Thank you for joining. But literally, I just finished opening up all the packs for Paradox. But yeah, dude, this was pretty much fun. You know, pretty fun doing this live stream for the first time. I'm definitely going to have to put these into my master set. So when that's going to happen, not sure. But man, dang, it's raining hard outside right now. All right, guys. Well, that is pretty much it. I mean, at least for today's live stream. I know it's a little late night live stream of pack openings and stuff like that. But hey, really enjoyed taking the time to, you know, try this whole live stream out. Never done it before, but again, for those who are watching, I really appreciate you guys taking the time. And if you are watching but you haven't done so, please like this live stream, or if you want to subscribe to the channel. Hey, I'm gonna start making more content soon. But yeah, eventually I'm gonna start, you know, doing a lot of stuff for the gram, some stuff for TikTok, but definitely want to start doing more live streams of live openings and, you know, have interactions with you guys and, you know, hear from you guys as Poke collectors. Or if you just want to chill, just watch me open up packs or just hear me yapping. Hey, I'm all for it. But all right. Well, that pretty much concludes tonight's live stream. Again, if you haven't done so, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification button for future videos. So yeah, appreciate you guys, you know, coming out and hanging out with Kiki Collects here. And until next time, I'll see you guys next time.